Okay, so since Valet feels that he was wrongfully terminated, in order to prevent an employee from alleging or feeling that they were wrongfully terminated based off the Title VII of Civil Rights Act of 1964, the fitness facility itself should have personally discussed the reasons as to why the reasons privately as to why they're being fired. There should be a valid reason given as to why they're being terminated. There shouldn't be any reason why someone should not know why they're being fired. There should also be an employee contract that reassures employees that they are not to be terminated based off their gender, based off their age or their race. There should also be a signed contract between the two from the beginning and of the training sessions and prior to being hired, that all the original ideas, like if I'm a personal trainer and I go to this fitness facility, I want to make sure that my ideas of my training style is protected. So I don't want people kind of copying it. So there'd be a contract that all original work within the training groups, because this is how Valet felt that Valet stole his ideas on the way he does his aerobic classes. But there needs to be a discussion, and there should be no miscommunication between the two employees. As far as application of what I've learned a lot. I understand that there's a lot that goes into owning your own fitness facility, and there's a lot that needs to be applied in order to run it. It's just not simply buying a property and putting workout equipment in it. You are legally responsible for the facility and the people that are entering it, and this includes the clients and the members and myself as well. It's a legal protection that against all issues that are going to occur. And as far as on this list right here, I've learned these things that I need to protect myself by having things such as emergency action plans to my fitness facility, and communicating and knowing what's right and the rights of these employees and the rights and the laws, and taking individual qualifications into consideration rather than race and gender and such things. But I will be better prepared in the future now that I know these legal issues that happen and how to work around them and what to do. And as far as all the other chapters in this course that I've learned about athletes and agents and what they're allowed to do, what's in the contract, and those are things I've never learned. I've known they existed, but I've never gone to depth of what it was. But I will be in the future be better prepared in situations that will arise, but also by preventing these issues and tackling them before they do occur. As far as faith integration of the course, there's 3 quotes that I found. Philippians 2:4, and this says, "Not looking to your own interests, but each of you to the interests of others." This means like taking into consideration other people's feelings and not just my own. In a manager position, we must act with selfishness, but we are put in the needs of others before our own. We must put the needs of others before our own. And I truly believe in that. But this does not mean to completely avoid caring for our own needs, because this reason is because it's hard to be a leader in the leadership position and in manager position and manage others and your own fitness facility and when our own needs are neglected. You know how they say, in order for you to love someone, you must love yourself. And I kind of think that this also goes with that as well. But you need to think about the big picture, not just yourself, but the interests of others. So this goes with like hiring people and the members that are in your fitness facility. We need to care for other people. The next quote is Luke 6:31. Do to others as you want. I'm sorry. Do to others as you would have them do to you. So this means treat others like you would want to be treated, basically. The customers and the employees, the employee care that you wish to have. Treat your employees and your members or your clients how you would want to be treated. Treat them all the same way, treat them equally. And once you can grasp that concept and integrate it into your own work, then things should go smoothly. That's what I think. Next one is Philippians 2:3. Do nothing out of selfish ambition and vain conceit. Rather, in humility, value others above yourself. So again, treat people as their own, not based off race and gender and other interests. As a manager, everyone should come before yourself and the best interests of the members and the employee and the whole facility overall. So don't do it solely based on your wants and your needs, but also take into consideration everyone else. And I think you should put them before yourself. So I've enjoyed this course. These are my references. And it's a really interesting course, and I learned a lot, and it's broadened my view on what I want to do in the future and how it's not easy as well. And there's a lot to take into consideration before. It's not just a fitness facility, but it could be in a hospital setting, it could be at a school, and there's a lot that's involved, and there's a lot of risks that can occur as well. And it's not an easy ride, but if you do everything accordingly and follow the rules and the laws, and you protect yourself and your company and the people as well that are involved, then everything should go smooth. But I understand that it's not going to be a smooth ride as well. But yeah, thank you, and I've enjoyed this course.